Hey fellas, it's 265 Chevy here. It's one big ol' ass house. Here I am standing in this hot garage. Look at it. It's a total disaster. Yeah, fellas, I've been working. I've been working my butt off. 10, 12-hour days. But, well, I want to start off this video by, I want to give a shout out to somebody. I think it's his YouTube channel is called Farm Boy. He's rebuilding a 1902 house, and he did some siding, and he showed on there what he used, and I wanted to give him a shout out and tell him thank you. He used the Sharpshooter 2.0 to cut the siding, which is hardy plank right there, and man, that thing works wonders. And I already told him thank you on his YouTube channel, but I want go check him out. Hopefully I said it right. I might be wrong, because I really haven't been really watching too many YouTube videos. I've been watching as much as I can, but I just want to give y'all an update. Today's July 15th, and so we've been working big time, me and just one other guy. But I'll show y'all this. Got the siding pretty much all done. Not all of it, but a lot of it. See if I can pick up from up top. We got some more up top to do, but I would say at least 80% of it's done. So we got some more up top. I was gonna bring y'all up top, but I really don't have time because I got to get some other stuff done. But we got the siding. It's 4-inch reveal. 4.5-inch reveal. It's what they use on this house. But it's coming out nice. Got all the drip rails. Had these made a lot of this stuff. It still needs all to be painted. Still need to take down a scaffold. Scaffold's been great. I'm glad that I built it. I might have spent some money. It cost me probably over $1,000 to build this darn thing, but it was well worth it because it's been here the whole time. And gave me opportunity to work on it on good days. So we pretty much just work on it in the morning to about lunch. We put up 15, 20, 30 boards or whatever, and then we'll start working on the inside. Well, let me bring you up in here, which is my mom's old house. And we got the closet built. We're working on the bifold doors. We had to cut these down for the ones up top, but that's going to be bifold doors there. We pretty much got, I would say, about 90% of the wiring done. Probably about 90% of the plumbing done. All the plumbing's done. Upstairs, that's all done. Pretty much all downstairs is all done, besides this back bathroom, which hasn't been touched because we're still using that because the upstairs bathroom ain't completed yet. But it's a work in progress. I'm starting to see a light at the end of the tunnel. We got to put in a bunch of nailers for the sheetrock guy. I'm gonna hire a sheetrock guy. The guy that did upstairs. I'm gonna bring y'all upstairs. I'm sorry, this is so dark. This is gonna be a pantry here, and the washroom's gonna be over here, right here. But this is gonna be the washroom. But I still got all the windows to do. I did one window up top. It's not completed 100%, but probably about 80% complete. That's what I'll be working on today. My helper, he took the day off. which is fine because we're getting to a point where a lot of the majority of the paint and stuff like that I do, and you know, I'm not paying top dollar for somebody else to do that. It's something that I've been in the business for over 20 years, so that's stuff that I can do. I'll bring you upstairs and show you the bathroom. The bathroom is probably 80% complete. Excuse for the shaky cam. I'm gonna have to walk up the stairs. Let's go check this out. Let me get my key here. Did I lock it? Yeah, I locked it. Man, I gotta walk up these stairs every day, man. Working upstairs is a whew. It's a hoot, man. But finished putting in the lights in the bathroom yesterday. But this is the bathroom. That is the window. I don't know if y'all could see that well, but got the crown molding up, ceiling painted, 2 coats. The walls, everything's painted. The windows and the doors is just primed. 2 coats of primer. Today I'm gonna put 1 coat of finish. Redid the whole layout of the bathroom. So as y'all remember, I know it's been a while since I made a video, but this floor here was almost 4 inches thick. No, excuse me, let me go back. Probably about anywhere between 2.5 to 3.5 inches thick of concrete. So we had to rip all that out, build a whole brand new floor, ripped out this whole, gutted this whole place, reran all new plumbing, all new copper pipes all the way up to the upstairs into the attic to the hot water heater and everything, all copper pipes. Ran brand new galvanized pipes to feed the brand new hot water heater that we installed. That's all in the attic, but I'm not going up there to show you. Turn on a little light up there. That's what it looks like. Got some lights. So the vanity and everything goes here. Toilet goes here. Shower, gonna be glass, marble back. There's gonna be a marble countertop. It's gonna be a recessed cabinet with pull-out drawers. The floor is gonna be black tile. All the fixtures are stainless fixtures. So yeah, it's coming out good. I like the color. My wife did a good job on picking out the color. I like the ceiling. It's called Ice Cube up there. It ain't 100% white, but it's got like a little tint of blue to it. I don't know if y'all can see that. But a little tint, not much. But I'm sorry I haven't really been making any videos, but got the window fixed. This is all goes up and down. These are made with sash cords. Y'all can see the scaffolding up there. That's 3 stories in the air, fellas. This is where we've been putting the rest of the siding on. And we got a little bit left to do with that. And then it's all painting. Then it's all me on that. But it's been hot. I mean, God, it's been unbelievably hot. So we've been working out there till about 11 to 12, working inside, working up in here. Even up in here it gets really hot. But I've been putting in a good 11, 12 hour days. And if y'all remember right, I had the COVID-19. And so I lost almost about a month of working on the house. So that kind of really hurt. And plus that month was in April, and man, they had some good weather in April. But now I got to deal with the heat, the afternoon showers, and stuff like that. Let's go outside and see if we can take a view from the street. What you can see is that see, the side is up there. Some of it's primed. But it's getting there, fellas. You know, so now I gotta go fill all the nail holes, caulk everything up, prime it one more coat. Not the weather boards, because the weather boards come pre-primed, and put 2 coats of finish on that. A lot of painting to do, which painting is not that bad. It's just the prep work. But now we're back in the apartment. Fixed the upstairs door. Had to replace a couple of pieces on the door. Got some windows that we gotta fix. We gotta take out that are bowing, that ain't letting the glass sit. So we gotta fix those. These are all the old baseboards. Gotta fill all these up because we put in the boxes in the wall instead of in the baseboard. So the majority of the wiring's done. Got this back room back here to do. See what else. Gotta come out here, and I'm gonna do this this little foyer for the tenant, so they'll have a little, you know, nice and pretty and whatever. But and then I gotta get the floors redone, which I think these will come out beautiful. Gotta get the sheetrock up in here. Get him to come put up the sheetrock. Not tearing this out. We're gonna fix the plaster in this room because I can't remake those. It'll be hard for us to remake those coves. So we're gonna remake those. But anyway, I wanted to give y'all a quick little walk around to show you what's been going on, and hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody's staying safe. You know, that COVID-19 ain't no joke. You know, and really, you know, fellas, just be smart about it. You know, I know they have a big controversy about what to do. Look, just kind of don't go in major groups, and you know, just kind of keep your distance and wash your hands. You know, that's pretty much all it is to it. You know, and I got it because I'm, you know, of my job. So, but anyway, I'm gonna let you go. My battery's running out. Didn't have time to charge it. Oh, I will make a video. I picked up some rims. Look, I'm still thinking about the cars. You know, I met this old guy or whatever, and he had buku 69 Chevelles. So I picked up all kind of parts and stuff from him. So I made a trip one day and went up and spent some money and bought some things for the cars and stuff. So I'm still thinking about the cars. The poor Firebird is so dirty. It's got so much dirt on it. It's like terrible. But if you could see everything, I mean, my shop's a mess. Don't have time. I mean, I am completely exhausted at the end of the day. By the time I finish, you know, take a shower, eat, it's already 9:30, 10 o'clock. I crash and I wake up at 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm right back at it again. So September will be a year that the project actually started. Probably not going to finish it in that year, but a lot of it will be done. So I'm probably looking at probably towards the end of the year. I just need to get these guys out of here so I will quit hemorrhaging money. Because I'm hemorrhaging money. It's like, I think I'm a bank because I'm printing it. But it is what it is. Alright fellas, y'all have a good day. Y'all stay safe. Stay out of that heat. Keep yourself, drink a lot of water. And sorry I'm rushing through the video or whatever, but the battery's about to die. So I'll talk to you guys later. I'll make another update when we get a little further on, get some sheetrock up there and maybe some colors and stuff like that, and maybe the floor, and but that'll probably be a little while. But I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.